but I gotta hear that again. Oh, it's dead. Okay, right, we're gonna pull over here. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So I'm starting this video fairly late into the night. It is 11:18, so that's fun. I've been doing some work to the Subaru and I realized I didn't film any of it. So we're gonna start from here. We're not working on the Subaru right now. I'll do that tomorrow, but I'll show you what has been done to the Subaru so far. Here is the turbo for it, and this is the up pipe. This up pipe is not going to go back into the car because we no longer need it because we have an up pipe for an external wastegate. So yeah, that's the whole reason why that's out now. And then this is out of the car. One, to make it easier to put the up pipe in, and then two, because I feel like it's a bit easier to install the internal wastegate bracket, which is this little thing down here. And I wanted to clean up the turbo too, because there was a whole bunch of junk on it. There still is, actually, so I may do a bit more cleaning on the turbo before I put it back into the car. Anyway, I'm going to work on the Miata right now because I want to finish up the rest of the wrap. Oh, I say rest of the wrap. I'm going to wrap everything except for the left quarter panel because this is still not welded in and I need to get that welded in first. First, I need to figure out welding. So I have my welder right here. I need to clean up all of this. This is a huge mess. My welder's right here. I need to figure out all the settings for it, how to make it work and stuff. And I'm going to be experimenting on that little chair thing over there. Anyway, yeah, I think that's enough talking. Let's get to wrapping the rest of the Miata. Here is the door complete. I'm definitely getting a lot more comfortable and a lot more confident in wrapping. This is much faster than I've wrapped the other door, and I think it's definitely better too. And I didn't even use a heat gun once. I didn't feel like I had to. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. This is the fastest I've done, and it's the least errors that I've had on a single panel that I've done anywhere near this quick. So overall, I'd say I'm quite happy with this result. Yay, look, it's all red. It's all red. Well, I mean, that over there isn't red, but everything else is red. The quarter panel went, it's kind of a disaster actually. I did mess it up a little bit, so crease there, some creases kind of along here, a bit up there. So overall, it's not too bad. I'm not as happy with the results of the quarter panel as I am with this one, and I think the main reason I messed up is because of the curvature of the quarter panel. It kind of goes up like that, and it also curves that way as well. So you kind of have to be a bit skilled with using the heat gun and all that. So I'm going to try and remember all this, so when I go to do this quarter panel, I don't make the same mistakes, and this one can actually look better than that one. But for now, I feel like it's alright. I'm going to stop there for today, and I'll pick up another day. The other day being most likely tomorrow, so I can get the Subaru done. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that there. I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, camera had no audio here, but basically this is the up pipe with the external wastegate right there, and there's some brackets and some stuff down there. Yeah, I'm pointing at the brackets now, and yeah, that's under the car, and that's the heat shield that I disconnected and all of that. Yep, that's the turbo, and that's the up pipe next to it. Oh, what are we looking at now? Oh, we're looking at that that bracket to keep the internal wastegate door closed. Yeah, that one, and that's keeping that door closed. That door is not opening. That's the door right there, and it is not opening now. So yeah, pretty much that's that. No, where am I going now? I'm going up to the top. We're looking at the wastegate again. That's the wastegate, and yeah. So I've pretty much wrapped up the entire car. As you can see, it is back together now. I went to go start it up, and it was idling fine, it was doing fine, but there was some smoke coming from around the turbo area, so I'm thinking it may be just a coating from the up pipe that's burned off. And I started it again, and it didn't do it the second time, so I think I was right in that it's just the coating. It's just a little bit of coating that was burned off. There may have been some coating there during shipping, and that's burned off now. So anyway, it's not smoky anymore. I'll run it again and maybe get it up to temp to see if it's smoking, or if I see smoke or whatever. But the boost control solenoid has arrived, so we got some hoses. The actual solenoid is in here, and some, I guess, mounting hardware. I assume that's what that is. And then stickers. Nice. One line goes to here. One line goes, where is it? There. There's a little nipple right there for the turbo, and then one goes to the wastegate down there. Because obviously I don't have an internal wastegate, I have an external, so now I have to move it to there. Now I should note that I'm not going to get a Pro Tune for a while, which I know I should be getting a Pro Tune pretty much immediately. But with everything that's going on in the world right now, I don't know if it's exactly the best thing to get Pro Tuned this very moment. I feel like it can wait a little bit. There we go. I need to go get my access port. I have downloaded the map for it off of Cobb's website, just the stage 2 plus an EBCS map. So I'm gonna reflash the ECU to that, and then go take it for a drive and see if it has any problems, because I don't know. It may have problems and it may not have problems, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna reflash the ECU real quick and then drive it. So I've done the reflash. I haven't started it yet, but it should start and run fine. Boost control solenoid done, wastegate done. We're gonna go take it on its first test drive, and hopefully things go well. I will be looking out for issues, especially smoke, because I did see smoke, so I will be making sure to look out for smoke. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, starts up and runs fine. Okay, we are off. Right, it looks like it's driving fine. Yeah, I have to drive a little bit because I need to allow the engine to warm up. So I'm gonna have to drive some distance, and then we shall drive back. The main thing that I want to check here is gear number 3, third gear. That's the one to check, because that is the one that I was most commonly overboosting in. It usually happened in the higher gears. It didn't in first and second. Third, it did overboost in. So, and that was the most common gear that I did overboost. So hopefully we don't overboost in third. I was told that if I put the external wastegate on, that I won't overboost in any gear. It'll be fine. I won't overboost. So hopefully that's true and we don't overboost, because that is not a good thing. Now, I haven't gotten into boost yet, but I don't want to jinx it, but so far so good. So I have high hopes. Now I'm like 99% sure that I did the spring setting correct, but if I didn't, then we're gonna have issues when we get into boost. But if I didn't do it correctly, then we're gonna find out in a second, because the oil is pretty much up to temp, which means we can do a pull, third gear pull specifically. Holy sh! We didn't overboost. We did an overboost. But that wastegate is loud as f***. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta hear that again. Well, I was smiling a second ago. I am not anymore. The Subaru, jinxed it. The Subaru's broken down. Okay. I'm gonna let it coast. Okay, right, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead. Oh, it's dead. Fuck. Oh boy. Okay, right, we're gonna pull over here. Oh dear, this is... Oh boy, what's happened? I've broken the Subaru. I've broken it. We've broken down. I see smoke. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's very bad. That is very bad. This has gone very bad. I see smoke and shit. I think I may have blown up the turbo. Maybe. I found the problem. It is this down here, but my toe is here, and I can't fix this anyway without tools, so. Okay, I'm back home. Yeah, as you saw, that was a pretty easy fix. I'm quite annoyed. I think I need to leave a 12mm socket and a ratchet in this car just in case it happens again. That's the second time it's happened, but that's the first time it's happened at that part of the intercooler piping, which is right by the turbo. That's the first time that's happened. And this time it did have a hose clamp on it. Last time the hose clamp fell off. But this time I had a hose clamp on it and the hose clamp failed, and you can see where it was kind of like all dented up and shit. So yeah, that sucks, but that's what it is. I need to go buy a new hose clamp, and then this shouldn't happen again. But yeah, I got towed home by the Camry. We just, you know, put a tow strap behind there and then towed it. So anyway, with that, that's going to be the end of this video. What a great way to end. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you later. Peace out.